For those who love mystery prizes, then you should try your luck by purchasing a pull from my claw machine. You will have the option to purchase 1 pull, or up to 5 pulls. Each pull will come with a prize. Prizes you can win are my Win Down t-shirt, stickers, washi tapes, acrylic keychains, my Georgie plushie keychain, and sticker sheets. Every time someone orders my claw machine mystery prize, I will record myself pulling a gacha and post it on my TikTok so you can see what prize you got. I will include your order number on my video so you can know which prize you won. To purchase a claw machine pull, then click the link on my bio. It will take you to my shop. Each pull will be $5. What are you excited to win from my mystery prizes?
Kids cosmetic toy, so pretty. Easy to remove and fun to play. Safe for your kids to play.